Word, determined. The pronunciation is very easy. 3 syllables, and the emphasis on second syllable. Determined. Determined. The meaning of the word determined is having made a firm decision to do something and being resolute in achieving it. It implies a strong will and purposeful action. For example, she was determined to finish the marathon, no matter how difficult it was. He was determined to succeed in his career despite facing many obstacles. Hey, type your own sentence using the word in comment box.